Welcome to the fascinating world of poultry production. Today, we begin at the very first and most critical stage, the production of fertilized eggs. From the egg to the meat on your plate, this documentary reveals every step broiler chickens go through before reaching the supermarket. This is the real factory process behind modern poultry production. Welcome to Factory Process AI. The process begins with the careful breeding of specially selected breeders, hens and roosters that have been genetically optimized for egg production. These breeders are raised in specialized farms, environments meticulously controlled to ensure their well-being. In these high-tech facilities, their diets are carefully crafted to support their fertility. A rich, balanced feed packed with proteins, vitamins, minerals, and essential trace elements is provided, ensuring that only the healthiest eggs are produced. Inside the barns, the breeders live in spacious, well-ventilated buildings. Automated feeding and watering systems are at work, ensuring that their every need is met with precision. The density of the animals is also controlled, reducing stress and encouraging optimal health. Now, let's step into the heart of the incubation process, the moment when fertilized eggs begin their transformation into healthy chicks. After the eggs are carefully collected from the breeders, they are placed in high-capacity industrial incubators. These incubators are not only large, but highly automated, providing optimal conditions for the development of the embryos. Inside, everything is meticulously controlled. Temperature is set at 37.5 to 37.8 degrees C, simulating the warmth of a mother hen. As the days progress, this temperature is gradually reduced to assist the hatching process. The humidity inside the incubator is closely monitored, beginning at 50–60% during the early stages. As the days pass, it increases to 70–80% to soften the eggshell and prepare the embryos for the final stage of hatching. Around the 7th and 18th day, the eggs undergo miraging, a process where the eggs are illuminated to check for any non-viable embryos. This helps remove any infertile or dead eggs, ensuring only the healthiest embryos continue to develop. The entire incubation process lasts exactly 21 days, with an hatch rate of 80–90%, a result made possible by the precise conditions inside the incubator. After 21 days of careful incubation, it's time for the fertilized eggs to hatch. Welcome to one of the most exciting moments in the poultry industry, the birth of the chicks. In modern hatcheries, this process takes place in large numbers, with the eggs cracking open and the chicks emerging. The hatching is automated thanks to advanced systems like conveyor belts, which transport the newly hatched chicks to the sorting areas. As the chicks begin to hatch, they are carefully monitored and sorted. Weak or deformed chicks are removed, ensuring that only the healthiest chicks move forward in the process. This sorting can be done manually by trained workers or automatically through advanced systems that analyze the chicks' feathers or even their genetic traits. Once sorted, the chicks receive their first vaccinations against common diseases such as Marek's disease and infectious bronchitis. These vaccinations can be administered through spraying, injection, or by mixing the vaccine into their drinking water. Some systems also carry out beak trimming, a practice used to prevent the chicks from pecking each other, though it is becoming less common due to increasing regulations. Now the journey continues for the newly hatched chicks. as they begin their transport to the specialized fattening farms, where they will begin the next phase of their growth. This crucial step happens within 24 hours of hatching, and speed is key. The chicks are carefully placed into climate-controlled trucks, ensuring the right conditions during transport. The journey is short and efficient, designed to minimize stress on the delicate animals. Now that the chicks have arrived at the fattening farm, the real transformation begins. This is where the magic of growth happens as the chicks enter the fattening phase, a crucial stage that lasts between 35 to 42 days. Inside specialized climate-controlled buildings, the chicks are given everything they need to grow quickly and efficiently. These buildings are equipped with automated systems for feeding and watering, allowing large quantities of chicks to be nourished with precision. The chicks' diet is carefully managed to match their stage of growth. During the first 10 days, their food is rich in protein, 22–24%, to promote the rapid development of muscles and bones. As they grow, their feed changes. From 11 to 25 days, the food is higher in calories to encourage fat accumulation and weight gain. Finally, from 26 to 42 days, the chicks are given highly energetic food designed to maximize muscle growth and increase weight. Advanced automated surveillance systems are installed throughout the facility, continuously tracking the health of the poultry, as well as critical environmental factors like temperature, humidity, and air quality. These systems ensure that any anomalies in the bird's health or the farm's conditions are detected quickly, enabling immediate intervention to prevent the spread of diseases. The farm's health monitoring systems are designed to keep the birds in optimal conditions, reducing the chances of illness. With these systems in place, the likelihood of an outbreak is minimized, and the staff can act swiftly if any issues arise. The mortality rate in modern industrial farms remains generally low, around 3 to 5%. However, should the environmental conditions deteriorate or a disease emerge, the mortality rate can increase. The use of vaccines and probiotics is part of the strategy to maintain the health of the birds, but constant vigilance is key. Once the broiler chickens have reached their target weight, usually between 2 to 3 kilograms, they are ready for the final stage in the production process, slaughter and processing. In modern processing plants, this phase is highly automated, ensuring efficiency and minimizing human intervention. Following this, the birds are cut into parts. Whole chickens, breasts, thighs, wings, or sometimes products like fillets or nuggets. This is done in an industrial setting where precision and speed are key. This entire process is designed to be as efficient, humane, and hygienic as possible, ensuring that the poultry products you consume are of the highest quality. Finally, the processed meat is packaged. Each product is carefully packaged under strict hygienic conditions. Barcodes, nutritional information, and product traceability are added to ensure that the consumer knows exactly where their food comes from. As the world continues to prioritize sustainability, Modern poultry farms are adopting eco-friendly practices to improve energy efficiency, manage waste, and reduce their overall environmental footprint. One key area of focus is water recycling. Many farms are now using advanced systems that treat and reuse water, especially the water used for cleaning the facilities. This not only conserves precious water resources, but also reduces the farm's overall water consumption, making the operation more sustainable. Renewable energy is another vital component in reducing the environmental impact. Some farms have invested in solar panels, harnessing the power of the sun to generate clean energy. This helps decrease the farm's reliance on fossil fuels, cutting down both energy costs and greenhouse gas emissions.
Adjusting the intake valve now. Levels stabilize.
Now you know the entire process of how broiler chicken is made, from the fertilized egg all the way to the final product on your plate. If you've watched until the end, write chicken in the comments below. And tell us, what manufacturing process would you like to see next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next documentary.